What's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge that reads as follows. F of x is equal to 3x squared minus 19. F of x plus a is equal to 3x squared plus 12x minus 7. What is the value of a? So this is pretty straightforward because if this is f of x, this is f of x plus a, we should be able to plug in x plus a into this function and actually get something that we can equate to this function. So let's do that so this makes sense. F of x plus a is equal to 3, but in place of x, we'll put x plus a squared minus 19. So then you have, if you FOIL this out, you have 3x squared plus 2ax plus a squared minus 19. Then let's distribute the 3, so that's 3x squared plus 6ax plus 3a squared, and then of course bring down to minus 19. Okay, now check this out. If this is x plus a, and this is x plus a as well, then what happens is they should be equal. Look at the coefficients for the variable. So this is a 3, this is a 3. This is 12, positive 12, so this 6 times a should be equal to 12 as well. 6a equals 12, so a is equal to 2. And so then, just to check it, if this is 2, if a is equal to 2, that is, this right here, 3a squared minus 19, should represent the constant at the end of this, which should be equal to a negative 7. So let's plug in 2 into that and see if we get that. So 3 times 2 squared minus 19. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 19, which is negative 7. Okay, so yes, 2 is our answer. Let me know if you got that. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.